Hello there, welcome to my channel. My name is Xabe the Gemini Witch. It is a pleasure to have you here with me today. If you guys are new here, hit that like button and subscribe. I would love to have you as a part of my soul tribe. If you guys are returning viewers, what's up? Thank you so much for supporting this channel. So let's jump into your reading. This is going to be a general reading. It's not going to be for any particular sign. So let's see what's the tea. Let's see what's going on around you and how Spirit can help. What are the messages that you have for my viewer? What are the messages that you have for my viewer? Hookup, heartbreak, soulmate, finances. Someone here started a relationship and you may have thought that it was just going to be a simple hookup, or this person thought that it was just going to be one of those casual things. It led to a heartbreak. This was a twin flame connection. There was a soul contract here. Feel like what separated you guys were finances. There was going to be some sort of a proposal, but there was a divine intervention. Someone thought that the grass was greener on the other side. There was talk about marriage here, forever, being the one. You were dealing with a player. Playa, 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 playa. You listen to your intuition. This person is still spying on you through social media. Some of you may have met this person online. The universe is trying to send you messages that this is a toxic relationship. You may have watched a few tarot videos on this person, wondering like, is this a toxic relationship? Am I going crazy? Indeed it is, or it was. Okay, I feel like this person, the intentions were for them just to hook up with you, just to kind of have like a one-night stand, or maybe just a casual thing. But it led to heartbreak. I feel like you gave this person a very strong connection, but this person was struggling financially. Okay? It's like Source saw that it wasn't going to work out. Okay? There are some people that come into our lives, and yes, they could be a soulmate or, have a very strong connection. But honestly, this card right here says it all. When I see toxic relationship, I don't want to entertain the idea of like soulmate or karmic or, well, it's karmic. That's how I look at it. But you may have saw this person. You thought that this person was a soulmate. Could be that you guys shared a past life together, but in this lifetime, they came back toxic. But good for you. You were listening to your intuition. You wanted support. You wanted loyalty. You wanted trust. You had a gut feeling about this person. And I feel like this person was very charming, manipulative. You found out some sort of truth. Maybe some friends ended up telling you some sort of truth. There was some sort of someone revealed something to you. There were secrets. This was unexpected. You found out about a third-party situation, or maybe you had a suspicion about a third-party situation. You had fallen in love with this person. Maybe somebody ghosted you, or you ghosted this person. Maybe you met this person during some sort of an event, or there's an event that's about to take place that that you might come across this person. This person's in regret. Somebody here feels like they made a mistake. Someone here is feeling guilty. They feel like they made a wrong choice. But you're growing with the change card. Even if this person were to try to come back, the relationship has changed. You're moving on. You are moving on. Yeah, at this point, if this person tries to come back, it's going to be like a forbidden love. Like, they can't get to you anymore. Yeah. Someone felt discarded. Someone felt like they were thrown out. You want a long-term relationship. You want a commitment. Now, keep in mind, this may not resonate with everyone, okay? Take what does and leave the rest. What else? Some of you are single at this point, you know, because you're not going to entertain anything unless there's a possibility for commitment. I feel like you've learned your lesson. Someone can't resist you. They have this unexplainable pull towards you. You're very magnetic. Some of you guys may have been dealing with some sort of a drama queen around you. But I feel like this person was very thirsty. They were just causing chaos in your life. This person still desires you. I feel like you guys had a lot of lust. And you loved this person unconditionally. What else? Someone's about to reveal something to you. Someone's about to confess something to you. Yeah. Clarity, truth, there's going to be a revelation. Someone's addicted here, codependent, obsession, possession, controlling. There's a block, there's a restraint. Yeah. Twin flames. So this was a very deep connection that you guys had. But it was toxic. You had a feeling about this person. You know, I got this journal card here. Keep, you know, like writing, diary, keeping notes. So the thing about toxic relationships is, you know, we tend to forget what the person did, right? Because if you're watching this, that means that you need clarity, right? That you still care about the person, right? And that you're just wanting to make sure that the decision that you're making is the right one, right? Keep notes, okay? Write things down in your journal, because some people, especially when they're toxic, they like to, you know, they have their version of what happened or what's happening, and then you have your version, right? But it's good to keep notes, right? So that you can go back and kind of remember, okay, like this happened, and they did this, right? Because they want to make you forget about what took place. And that's called gaslighting, right? Basically altering the, you know, your reality, sort of, you know. And that's where it turns into a toxic relationship, because this person tries to come back in, and then, you know, you tend to forget, right? Like, oh my God, I love them, I'm gonna go back, right? Yeah, but you love this person unconditionally. You really do. You really do. And there's nothing wrong with that, you know. But if it's toxic, it's, yeah, chaser and codependent relationship, fear of abandonment issues. If it's toxic, you have to understand that it's going to do harm. You know, it's, you know, these types of relationships, you develop all kinds of things, you know, physically, emotionally, spiritually, financially, right? It really messes you up, okay? And if you're not careful, you will hit rock bottom with this relationship. But I feel like you know this, like your intuition's telling you this. So keeping and writing notes and keeping a diary is super important, because you can always go back and remember the things that this person did, right? So that you don't go crazy, okay? What else? Some of you guys may be meeting someone new. Yeah, the relationship is over. No second chances. Grow and transform your life. You've got your boundaries up. You're hurt about this situation. Avoiding a conversation, a call, or a person. What else? Moving on. Someone has issues closing out this cycle. Closure issues. This person might come back to Hoover you, right? They're just waiting for you to text them. Don't do it. Please don't do it. Okay? Hoovering is when they, when they come back and they come with their elaborate gifts and, trips and gifts and whatever, you know how this person works. Dining, whatever, right? It's the love bombing. But, for some of them, some of these types of people, what they'll do is they'll go quiet for a long time, right? And they stop the communication because they want you to break the contact, okay? Don't do it. Sabotage. Yeah, this person sabotaged this, and I feel like this is like a repetitive cycle for them. No matter who they're with, they're always sabotaging these relationships. You're gonna be tempted, but there was a third party interference here. You're gonna be tempted to go back. This person, you're probably stuck on the fantasy of having, you know, oh, we were gonna get married, and because I see here proposal and wedding rings twice. You know, they end up regretting their mistakes. They hate feeling guilty, right? If they come back to you and apologize, I feel like this person's only going to change for a week, 2 weeks, and then you guys are going to go right back at it again, fighting, having misunderstandings, triggering one another. This person's going to continue to be manipulative, and this person has third parties. This person has other, you know, other people that they're dealing with. You have to be strategic. Don't show your hand. So what does that mean? You know, not everyone needs to know your business, okay? If you're stepping into abundance right now, you're trying to keep a positive mindset, you're manifesting your life, you know, you're expressing gratitude, you're feeling a sense of bliss right now, or maybe even in the future. Don't tell this person all the good things that are happening to you, you know. And honestly, people like this, you have to go no contact with. You just have to cut them off cold turkey. I know it's going to hurt. It's going to suck. And then when you do it, they're going to blame you for everything, right? Yeah. Separation, deception, shocking attack. A shocking attack. So they're going to blame you, right? They might get you involved in a smear campaign and, you know, talk bad about you, right? Spirit wants you to make healthy choices in love and in life. Spirit wants you to have self-love, self-care. Spirit wants you to be happier. That takes courage to leave a situation like this. And I have to applaud you. Be lighthearted. You found something out. Things are coming to the light. Adapt, change, and heal. Right. So let's jump into the, actually, no, you know what? Let's grab some of these. Alrighty. Lighten up and enjoy the journey. Take time to play more, because even the smallest things can initiate change within you to live life with love and joy. So this situation has you, some of you, uptight. Spirit wants you to lighten up. Enjoy the journey. You're learning, right? This was a hard lesson, but you're learning. Something is off about this story. Get some more info before making a decision. Not saying that it's bad, but you want to be certain. So some of you guys want to know more about the situation, but Spirit is saying that it's going to come to light. The sexual chemistry is so powerful that they awaken the romantic and the animal inside of you. It can be dangerous if not handled with care. So looks like you know, that in that sense, this person awakened that side of you. So be careful, because that's very lustful, right? Smell the roses. Stop and smell the roses. Don't forget to see the beauty beyond your ambitions and enjoy those little things in your life. So some of you guys are just focused on work, focused on, you know, finances. So Spirit wants you to slow down and enjoy the moment a little bit. What else? What exactly do you love about this person? If they're treating you in a way that feels disrespectful, ask yourself, what part of you allows this behavior to continue? Perfect is an illusion. The two of you might be total opposites, but in that way, you complete each other. You have more in common than you think. So this is, I feel like this is you thinking, no one's perfect, right? This person's good, or this person's got their good, they got their bad, right? I feel like you're making excuses for this person, okay? You guys have a lot in common, and more than likely when it's some sort of a toxic relationship like this, the issue is that what you have in common is your traumas. Or, you know, you may like the same hobbies. You guys may like, you know, certain things, right? So, let's see. The situation has gotten messy. Too many outside influences. Yeah. There's outside influences. Spirit wants you to go outside. Spending more time in nature will help you take the pressure off of love and remind you that life is beautiful, even on gloomy days. Someone is not expressing their true feelings. Problems would get solved and your love life would get easier if both of you were open and honest. So this person's not being honest, right? I feel like you would love to have a conversation with this person, right? The Nine of Cups, but you have some sort of a wish fulfillment coming for you. There's happiness heading your way, you know, and this situation is over with the Death card. You're going to be a lot happier when it finally ends. Judgment. I feel like there's a lack of, like, forgive yourself. Okay? This is in the reverse. Forgive yourself for having had entertained this relationship. Okay? Forgive yourself for allowing it to get this far. But, you know, Spirit is going to do what it needs to do with the, like, for example, you know, we go through things and we blame ourselves, we beat ourselves up for it, right? Or especially in situations like this, you tend to wonder, like, where did I go wrong, right? Or, you know, is it me? Is it my fault? Da, 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 da. You know, don't blame. It's just like, that's it. You know, like, cut it out, walk away, focus on your healing. My fish is staring dead at me. Hi, Future. His name is Future Fortune. He's so cute. He's a white beta fish with big blue eyes. Anyways, distracted. Sorry. Yeah, I feel like Spirit's saying forgive yourself. Forgive yourself. Don't beat yourself up, right? This person was very manipulative. They were very charming. It was a karmic relationship. The Nine of Pentacles in the reverse. They don't want you to be single and available to pursue. They're selfish. But with the High Priestess, here you are again. I feel like you sense this person. You're trusting your intuition. Yeah. You're going to be really happy if you walk away from this situation with the Sun card. Good things are coming to you. But trust yourself. Learn how to trust your intuition, even if you don't have the proof right in front of you, right? Learn how to trust yourself. Learn how to trust your intuition. If your intuition is saying something is off, then something's off. Okay? But if you trust your intuition, you're going to be a much happier person. Spirit's saying trust your intuition. Okay? Yeah. Maintain those boundaries with the Seven of Wands. You need really strong boundaries right now. Okay? Because I feel like this person is going to try to come in. The Emperor, it's Aries. You know, the Emperor can be very, like, what he says goes. Very controlling, right? So just be careful with that, because this person is playing games. The Lover's in the reverse. This was a karmic connection. This was a false twin flame. The Seven of Pentacles in the reverse. There's like a lack of patience here. This person, I feel like this person made you false promises. You ran out of patience with this person. And what else? The Ace of Cups. This is you loving yourself. It could also be new love. New love could be coming in for you. What else? Tell me more about this Ace of Cups. This is you pouring love into yourself. The Hierophant. This is higher learning. Learning how to love yourself unconditionally, despite your past, despite things that had happened to you, despite what took place, you know, with this situation. Don't beat yourself up. The Hierophant is about committing yourself. The Ace of Cups is about unconditional love. This could be romantic relationships, but this could also be new love that is coming in, that is also going to offer you some sort of a commitment. Okay? Long term. That's beautiful. Something to look forward to, right? If that's what you desire. What else? Ooh, the King of Cups. This person's going to be very nurturing. This person's going to have emotional control. Okay? This person's going to be very mature. Yeah. That looks really good. I like that. I like that a lot. Nurture. Develop your skills. Grow and expand. And take special care of yourself. Right now it's time for you to take very, very, very special care of yourself. Okay? So especially after situations like this, nurture yourself. Love yourself. Right? A lot of healing right now. Write down in your journal, if you could write this person a letter, what would you say, right? And be completely honest, you know, and then burn it, or not. But, you know, I really do wish you the best. I am taking personal readings, so if you would like one, my information is down below in the description box. So I hope you enjoyed this reading. I'm wishing you all the best of luck. Stay strong. Don't break the contact. Don't fold. Don't cave. It's going to take a lot of courage from you to move on. And it will take some time to heal. But I do see really good things coming for you. Okay, be patient with yourself. All right? Some days will be good and some days will not be good. Right? But on the days that they're not so good, take extra special care of yourself, and on the days that are good, celebrate. okay? Because you have made it one more day without this type of situation. Like I said, these types of relationships, they will hurt you in every way, shape, and form. And it'll be a setback, to be honest with you. And it's not worth it, okay? Right now, what you're feeling is the illusion of the what could have been, okay? But it was toxic. So, thank you for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.